Do you know you can grow long and healthy hair just like mine? Do you know your hair can be healthy? Do you know you can stop breakage, you can stop hair thinning, you can stop any hair issue you have? Because this oil that I'm revealing today is very, very potent for your hair. I don't want to care whatever is wrong with your hair. This oil is actually perfect and good for your hair. Your hair is breaking, your hair is thinning out, your hair, you are losing a lot of hair, your hair is not growing. Not in this place. Now I am making an Ayurvedic oil. So it is advisable for you to blend all your ingredients. Now can you see that every ingredient I'm introducing, they are all blended. Now you have to blend it so that you can get all the everything in that ingredient inside the oil. Do you get? So it is advisable for you to blend all your ingredients to get the perfect result for your hair. Now this one that I'm pouring, it is I blended fennel and fenugreek. You see fenugreek, if your hair is breaking, your hair is breaking a lot, it's just pulling out and all, just go with fenugreek. Fenugreek is actually very, very good for hair thinning, hair breaking. Now for fennel, it helps to strengthen your hair strands and it helps to reduce breakage as well. It also nourishes the scalp. Now this one I'm pouring in is rosemary. Have grinded it. Rosemary is known for hair growth. Like you want to grow your hair long, very long, very long. No, not too much talk. Go for your rosemary. Now black women sin as well. It helps to grow your hair long as well. Long. It helps to reduce hair fall as well. So black women seed and rosemary are known for hair growth. Shey you get. Now I'm not actually measuring it. I actually know what is wrong with my hair. For me, I want my hair to grow long. That's why I'm adding more of black women seed and rosemary. Do you get? So you have to know what's wrong with your hair to know the amount of ingredients you are going to pour. Now, I'm not going to tell you should pour this, pour that. Now, this one I'm pouring is clove. Clove is actually very, very good for your scalp. Yes, very, very good for your scalp, circulation of blood, and reduces dandruff. Now, these are neem leaves. I actually got this from my neighborhood actually. Please don't mind my nails. I've made a lot of DIYs these days. That day that I made this video. Now, neem is actually good. If you want to you want your hair to be shiny, just go for your black woman seed and this neem. It is actually very, very good. You want your hair to be shiny, you want to fight dandruff, itchy scalp, just go. Now I'm using the olive oil. You can go with any carrier of your choice, but the reason why I'm using olive oil is because it's cheaper. Yeah, but I prefer using coconut oil. Sure you get, but olive oil is good. I love olive oil, but I love coconut oil. So you can just go with any carrier oil of your choice. That is just it. So after that, now you have to stir vigorously. Like you have to stir as if your life depends on it. Like stir it so well. Let everything all mix together. Mix it so well. I'm using a plastic spoon. My hand was paining me at this point. So it is advisable for you to just go with them iron spoon and stir very well. So stir, add your oil, stir, add your oil. So that was what I was doing here. So make sure you stir everything all blend. Let everything all blend together. So at some point in this video I added soy because the all the ingredients I've poured, it has taken all the oil you get. So just add oil. So you don't have to add 1 bill of oil to this ingredients actually, because I've noticed that some people use little ingredients for little oil. No, don't manage it. Don't manage. Since you've measured your ingredients appropriately, then oil to do it appropriately as well. Shey you get. So if you feel like this one is too thick, you can add more oil to it. It will definitely going to work. I'm not saying it will not work. It will actually going to work. So after this, I covered it with a nylon. Actually, that I don't trust that cover because it can just like spill, and I don't want that. Now please cover it very, very tight and put in a cool dry place. I left this for 4 weeks, for 1 month. So after 4 weeks, now this was how the oil was looking. Can you see that this is like infused perfectly, like infused so well. Can you see the color of the oil? Just tell me how you're going to use this and it will not work for you. Like just tell me you're going to use this and it will not work for you. So I covered it back actually, and the next thing for me to do was to put it on fire. Now put water inside the pot, then put it on it and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. So this was how it looked. So can you see how are you going to use this oil and it's not going to work for you? Now the next thing was to drain. I'm so sorry I didn't show that part of me draining. Now only what I do is that I drain what I can use for 1 week and let the other oil to infuse. Sure you get. So that is what I do. So apply the one you can use for 1 week, and that is all. So thank you so much for watching. Please use this every day or every 2 days for maximum result. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I want to see you in my next video. Bye for now.